Welcome to this video on voice-activated lighting. We will cover the professional setup and wiring guide for these systems, focusing on what electricians need to know. Smart lighting requires understanding the digital architecture. We are moving from traditional mechanical switches to a more integrated digital infrastructure. The ecosystem has three key layers: the control layer, which interprets commands, the network layer, which provides communication, and the execution layer, which manages the electrical load. A critical requirement is the neutral wire, providing the return path for the switch's internal electronics. NEC now requires a neutral at every switch location for future automation. Selecting the right protocol is key. Wi-Fi offers a star topology, Zigbee/Z-Wave uses a mesh network with low power, and Matter/Thread is the low-power standardized mesh feature. Professional commissioning involves the hardware-software bridge and critical box dressing. Smart switches are deeper, requiring neat wire management to prevent shorts and ensure fit. The setup workflow includes 4 steps. First, rough in the neutral wires. Second, install and wire the smart switch. Third, pair the device. Fourth, map the names for voice commands. Advanced three-way logic includes master/remote setups, traveler repurposing in older homes, and virtual pairing using battery-powered remotes to trigger the main switch via the hub. Protocol response latency impacts user experience. Local Zigbee has the lowest latency at 20 milliseconds, while cloud Wi-Fi is slower, and Bluetooth is the slowest. Understanding critical load limits and derating is essential. When installing smart dimmers in multi-gang boxes, removing heat sinks reduces capacity from 600 watts to 400 watts in a triple gang. We are no longer just pulling copper. We are building the digital nervous system of the modern home. Thank you for watching this video.